Welcome to IELTS speaking test number 19. Today, we will describe something you don't have now, but would really like to own in the future.
Thank you for having me here today. We all have a never-ending wish list of things that we want to buy, so do I. One item that has been on my wish list for a long time is a one-bedroom apartment of my own. I hope to cross this item off my list by the time I turn 30. I know it sounds impossible, but it'd be cool if I could do it. And the most important thing is that I have a long-term goal to pursue. Since I am an independent person, I have always wanted to move out of my parents' house. As soon as I graduated college, I wanted to buy a small apartment. I'm currently looking for a condo a little further away from the city center. Despite the fact that it will take longer for me to travel to work, the price will be more reasonable, and I will be able to afford it. Having a flat of my own means a lot to me for several reasons. Firstly, I can decorate the house according to my own tastes and personality. Secondly, I can do whatever I want without interfering in my parents' lives. I can invite my friends over for the weekend, and I can throw a party anytime I want. Most importantly, I want to show my parents that I am a grown-up woman and that I can take good care of myself.
This is an example. You can use your situation. Check out the vocabulary used in this speech, which is given in the description box. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comments section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you. Stay tuned.